Hello everyone! Don't throw away banana peels. They contain a lot of beneficial substances for the health of your scalp and hair length. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step recipe for making oil from banana peels and other beneficial ingredients to promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, and add shine to your hair. Look at how shiny the hair is after using this mask. It's just fantastic. Now I'll show you the ingredients for the oil. But first, tell me where you're from and what your name is. It would be interesting to get to know you. To prepare a nourishing oil to prevent hair loss, you will need the following ingredients: 1 banana peel, 2 sprigs of fresh nettle, 30 grams of olive oil, 50 grams of coconut oil, 30 grams of flaxseed oil, 20 precious drops of rosemary CO2 extract, 20 drops of preservative, I use Ceramix 721, and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Wash the banana and peel it. Cut the peel into small pieces. Banana peel is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that stimulate hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce hair loss. Banana peel also moisturizes the length of the hair, adds shine, and protects against breakage. Transfer the chopped pieces of banana peel into a blender bowl. I picked the nettle from my own garden. It's so great when nettle grows right next to your house. I only need a little nettle. 2 sprigs will be enough. Nettle improves blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates the growth of new hair and strengthens existing hair, reducing hair loss. In addition, it reduces inflammation and nourishes the hair roots with vitamins and minerals essential for healthy and strong hair. I'll need about 10 nettle leaves. They need to be washed and then cut into small pieces. I put the nettle into the blender bowl. I add olive oil. Olive oil deeply moisturizes the scalp, reduces inflammation, and promotes the growth of healthy hair. Olive oil is also a penetrating oil. It integrates into the hair shaft and makes the hair length stronger. Next, I add coconut oil. I melted it in advance in the microwave. Coconut oil is also a penetrating oil and has a beneficial effect on the health of hair length. Coconut oil also moisturizes the scalp. Because coconut oil is a saturated fat, it gives the oil a denser consistency. I blend this mixture with a blender. Transfer it to a glass cup. And place it in a water bath for 20 minutes. I turn off the stove. Cover the cup with a lid and leave it to cool. When the mixture reaches room temperature, I strain it through cheesecloth. I add flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish the follicles and improve hair structure, reducing hair loss. This oil coats each strand and gives the hair a very beautiful shine. I love using flaxseed oil in my hair care routine. I also add 20 drops of rosemary extract. Rosemary extract stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss. It also has an antiseptic effect, supporting scalp health and improving the condition of the hair length. I add 20 drops of preservative. And lavender essential oil. The preservative and essential oil ensure the oil stays fresh without the growth of bacteria and fungi. The shelf life of this oil is 6 months. It should be stored in the refrigerator. Now I'll show you how to use this oil for your hair. I will apply it to slightly dirty hair. I brush my hair and start applying the oil along the partings on my scalp. It's most convenient to do this with your hands. I apply it and rub it into the parting. The oil smells very pleasant thanks to the essential oil and rosemary extract. If you don't like masks with the smell of onion or garlic, then you'll definitely like this hair growth mask. I recently made a medicinal oil with onion and spices for hair loss. It smells just a little like onion and doesn't leave any scent on your hair after washing. If you haven't watched that video, I definitely recommend it. I've applied the oil to the scalp at the front. At the back, I apply it like this. It's very convenient. Now I take my favorite massager with silicone bristles and start massaging my scalp. It does this gently, doesn't injure the scalp, boosts blood circulation, and helps distribute the oil over every centimeter of the scalp. My forehead is always a bit red after using this massager because I touch it as well. That means the massager really gets the blood flowing. I really love massages. I've applied the oil to my scalp. Now I part my hair into 2 sections and will apply it to the length of my hair. I gently comb through all my hair. This oil contains many ingredients that are also beneficial for the length of your hair. That's why I recommend applying it both to your scalp and along the length of your hair. After applying the oil with my hands, I comb my hair with a brush to distribute the oil more evenly along the entire length. All my hair is covered in oil and it shines beautifully. There should be enough oil on your hair so that it's fully coated, but not so much that the oil drips from your hair. Use the minimum amount necessary to ensure your hair is completely oiled. I tie my hair up in a bun. I'm going to sleep with the mask on all night. I'll cover my pillow with a towel. During this time, the oil will penetrate the hair shaft and make it stronger. In the morning, I go to wash my hair. I wash out all oil masks with shampoo twice. I only wash the length of my hair with foam the second time. Handle the length of your hair very gently. Don't rub it, just gently run your hands along your hair in the direction of growth. Then I apply conditioner and leave it on my hair for 5 minutes. I rinse it out. I squeeze out my hair and wrap it in a silk towel. After my hair dries, I'll show you how it looks after the mask. My hair is dry now. It's very moisturized, straight, soft, and light. Look how beautifully it shines. Try making a mask from these simple ingredients. You'll definitely like it. Turn on the notification bell, give a like, and see you in the next videos.